Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to create a landing page with Squarespace.com. First thing first, you're going to want to create an account on Squarespace, and if you haven't created yet, you can go ahead and create one before you continue and watch this video. I've already created an account on Squarespace, and this is what the dashboard will look like once you're done creating your account. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a website. So go ahead and click on create website. And then Squarespace is going to bring you into this templates page right here. Over here, you'll be able to see multiple templates that they offer. They have templates for online store, for portfolio, for membership, for blog, for scheduling, etc. You can choose on whichever website you want to use. And let's say if you want to search for only specific type of templates, you can just tick on one of the box. Let's say for the landing page, I want to create a landing page for a membership. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to give me the website that I can use for that landing page. So I'm going to start by using this ones right here. And you can choose on the color palettes that you want to use just by clicking on this color selections right here. I think I'm going to use this ones for now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on start with this design. All right, next you're going to want to put a name on your site. So let's say it's going to be Sunshine's Club, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And then Squarespace is going to tell you that you can edit the pages of the templates as well as create new pages and style the style if needed. So right here, right off the bat, what you can see first is the overall website. And you will be able to find on the navigation menu or navigation bar on the left side of your screen. If you click on website, you will be able to settings on the pages that your websites have. So here we have the about page, we have the program page, we have the press page, etc. And all of the page is definitely customizable. For example, I have this program page right here that shows training course, online classes, one-on-one coaching, and special event. And let's say that I want to settings on the page. All I have to do is click on the page that I want to edit, and then click on edit on the top left of the screen. Through here, I'll be able to settings the wording. For example, if I want to change this, let's say I want to change it into maybe Sunshine courses, and then shows on what's included. Again, to edit the text, I only have to double click on the text box, and then I'll be able to use settings everything through there. On the text editor, I will be able to change the font size, and I can also make the text to be bolder, or I can turn it into italic. I can change the colors of the text if I want to. All right, to look something like that, and then I can also change the alignment, etc. You know, the basic. But overall, that is how you can edit the pages. Once you're done, you can go ahead and click on save, and then you can click on exit. If you would like to add a new page, all you have to do is click on this plus sign on whichever part of the website you want to add. Let's say you want to create a blank page or page layout, or maybe scheduling or blog or store. You can go ahead and choose on whatever you want to put. Let's say that I want to create a landing page for classes, booking, etc. I can just go ahead and click on scheduling, and then I can setting on how the appointment booking landing page will look like. For example, maybe I want it to look something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and it's going to be class booking. All right, now that I got this page created, I can start and setting on it by clicking on this gear symbols right here. So here I can setting on the page title as well as the navigation title, the URL slug if I want. I can also add the passwords to this page if I want. Once I'm done with that, I can also set on where I will want to put this page on. Let's say I want to put it below the other one. I can just simply drag it. And then if I want to setting it even further, all I have to do is click on that specific page and then click on edit. And through this editor, I can only edit the text, but let's say that I want to edit on the overall booking system. I can do that by going back to home, and then I can click on this scheduling options right here. Alright, so through here, you'll be able to create a page on where your customer will be able to book some classes, for example. And once you're done, you'll be able to take a look at your scheduling page and how it looks like. For example, right here, it shows that currently the page will look like this. So let's say I have a training course, and let's say I want the class to be on 9 a.m. Wednesday. And then I just have to put on the name, the last name, phone, and email, and confirm if I want to create or if I want to book a class appointment. So that is how the appointment scheduling page will look like. And now let's take a look at what the monthly membership landing page will look like. So in order to be able to activate this page, I will have to create a pricing plan. So let's say I'm going to create several subscription, and the first one is going to be gold subscription. I'm just going to let the explanation as it is. It's going to be like one-time payment, and the price is going to be, let's say, 100,000 rupiah. And then let's say I'm going to go ahead and click on create. And I can have more than one subscription if I want. Let's say I'm going to create a new subscription. It's going to be silver. And then I'm going to put this at 50,000. All right, let's say I'm going to go ahead and create it once again. Now I have two different subscriptions. Alright, so now that I've already created the subscription plan, what will happen is that once someone become a memberships of my website, they'll be able to see this page right here, and they can choose whether they want to sign up to the gold subscriptions or the silver subscription. And this page is also customizable. You can edit the site style by clicking on the site styles right here. You can change the fonts, the color, the animation, the buttons, etc. Let's try and take a look at the fonts that they offer. So right now I got Railway as my font, and it actually comes in a packs of fonts. So I don't think I can choose only one. And here are the packs of font that they offer. If I want to change it, I can just click on whichever font that I want. I think I'm going to go with, let's say, this one's right here. This one looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And then let's say I'm going to play with the animations. Currently the animations that I have is a slide, so if I scroll throughout my website, the font or the text will come in a sliding animation. Let's try on the fade animations one. This is how it looks like. So it's going to appear with the fade animation. You can also play around with the speed, whether I want it to be slow, medium, or fast. Let's stick with the medium for now. And last but not least, I'll be able to see on how my website will look like on mobile view by simply clicking on this mobile symbols right here, and here how it looks like. And that's basically it. That is how you can create a landing page with Squarespace.com. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.